Computer Nook is a great way to add an attractive space for you or your kids to work on homework, play games, or just surf the net. This is a great solution for people who want to create a compact space for their computer. This video will show you how to build one using simple melamine shelves. Melamine shelves are inexpensive and easy to install. I have a desk area that holds my computer and other things I use for creating content for my YouTube channel. It's a flat surface and I wanted to add some organization space to it. I wanted something that was simple to make and didn't cost a lot, so I made these shelf units that gave it a built-in feel for about $40. Then I added some acoustic sound panels so I can quickly turn it into a small sound studio for another $30. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I did it. This project starts with melamine shelves. They're available at any home center and cost between $10 and $15 for an 8-foot piece. For this project, I used 3 of them. I cut 4 uprights that were each 24 inches tall. I didn't need the full 12-inch depth, so I cut them down to 8 inches wide. Next, I cut 3 shelves for each unit. You want to make sure your shelf units are square, and an easy way to do that is with corner clamps that snug everything together and force the corners to 90-degree angles. Then they're fastened with glue, brad nails, and finally screws for long-lasting durability. I made the gaps in the shelves sized to fit the items I wanted to place in them. Use DAP compound to fill in the seams where the shelves meet the uprights, and you'll have a very professional, well-finished inside corner. Melamine shelves are only finished on one edge, so I use an iron-on melamine tape to finish off any exposed edges. The next step was to add a bridge between the 2 shelf units. Another 8-inch wide piece of melamine is cut to the width of the computer nook. The front face of it is trimmed off using a piece of pre-finished molding. I added 2 small utility drawers using plastic trays I bought on Amazon. Inexpensive drawer pulls were added to the front of them. Now it's time to add some sound deadening material to make for a better quality voice recording. I bought some acoustical tiles. This was a package of 12 from Amazon and it cost under $30. I attached them to a piece of MDF backer board using some construction adhesive. These make wings for both sides. The leftover pieces were cut to size and added to the underneath surface of the bridge. Once the inside panels are in place, the bridge is pulled out and extends over the top. This provides decent sound absorption for recording voiceovers like this one. Panels double as a bulletin board so I can tack up the scripts and put them right at eye level. You might have noticed this little rolling shelf cabinet. Stay tuned to Amazing Home Hacks to see how much storage space I packed into this little unit. Thanks for watching and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any more amazing home hacks.